Good afternoon, Deniz, and thank you for inquiring about the Hyundai Elantra 1.6 Turbo Sport Edition. It is here. As you can see, it's got lovely wraparound head. Look at them alloy wheels. Beautiful alloy wheels, LED turn signals, blind spot detection, proximity key. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, it comes with a leather interior, touchscreen, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, lane keep assist, and it also has a sunroof. But the great thing is about this vehicle is America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which will exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. My name's Mark, so give me a call, 205 720 6581. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.